Hello guys, this is Vlogmas day 14 and I'm taking an L because I cannot load the video on my phone because I don't have any more storage. So we're taking an L on that. But I just want to let you know today's my dad's birthday and I'm finally back home. I can see the haters. Hi, you watching my video. But yeah. People want to be petty, but like it's okay. It's okay. We gonna leave them in 2018, right? We gonna leave them in 2018, and in 2019, we gonna be lit. But yeah, I'm about to go to this basketball game. But that makeup tutorial is gonna be up tomorrow, the 15th. Yeah, I have to work like all day tomorrow, so yeah. But the makeup tutorial is gonna be up on the 15th. Today is just gonna be this short little video just to tell you guys that I'm taking the L because I don't have storage, and it won't let me download the phone. Since I like to edit on my phone, I had to download it to my phone and edit on there instead of my computer. Sorry about the noise. But yeah, I wanna edit on my phone, but I'm taking the L because I don't have no storage. So we're gonna figure that out by tomorrow, and then hopefully the vlogs will be really nice tomorrow. It's gonna be the makeup vlog, so it's gonna say like in the beginning of the vlog it says like part 2, the one of day 13. But it's gonna be on day 15, you know. But I might cut that part out just because. But I'm gonna be wearing the same outfit in the day 13 and 15. I should hopefully be posting that video tomorrow. If not, it's a L. But yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later. And yeah, shining too lit. We gonna get lit in 2019. We gonna lead them people in 2018, you know. But who cares? We're gonna be lit, and y'all like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later.